Hey everyone, today I will show you how to cook pork chops that are juicy, golden, and absolutely perfect. We're keeping it simple, just pork chops, salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic, butter, and rosemary. Let them rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps them cook evenly. Pat them dry. Moisture is the enemy of that golden crust we want. Season generously, more than you think you need. Salt builds flavor. Lay the chops down away from you. That sizzle, that's the sound of flavor. Don't move them. Let that crust form. Patience gives you that steakhouse color. After 3 or 4 minutes, flip. Look at that golden crust, beautiful. Sear the edges too. That fat melts down and adds so much flavor. Now we add butter, garlic, and rosemary. This is where magic begins. Tilt the pan and baste with that hot butter. It's pure gold. This base gives your pork that nutty, caramelized flavor. Now, let them rest for 5 minutes. This keeps the juices inside. This is the kind of dish that makes you forget it only took 10 minutes. This is everything you want from pork chops. Juicy, golden, and full of life. If you like this recipe, hit like and subscribe. Now, go make these perfect pork chops tonight.